All right, so last time we talked about why the LLA Success System is so different. Today we're going to pop the hood and look at the engine that really makes it all run. We're moving from the why to the how, and this is where you'll really see your path to mastery come to life.
So let's just be real for a second. When you think about studying, what comes to mind? Is it cracking open some huge, dense, technical manual and just reading for hours on end? It's exhausting, it's not very efficient, and honestly, it's just not how our brains are wired to learn effectively.
Yeah, that's the old way. And that's exactly what we're leaving behind. The old model is all about passive learning, staring at a wall of text and just hoping something magically sticks. The LLA way, on the other hand, is a modern, active learning cycle. It's designed from the ground up to make your study time more efficient, way more engaging, and a whole lot more effective.
We call this the LLA Learning Path, and it's the heart and soul of how you're going to master this material. It's all built on a simple but really powerful three-step rhythm that you're going to get to know very, very well. Learn, launch, and apply.
So here it is. Take a look. This is the whole path in one shot. And you can see there's a very deliberate flow from one step to the next. This isn't just some random collection of things to do. It's a carefully designed cycle built for one single purpose: to turn information into an actual skill. You know what makes this so powerful? It's the consistency. Every single lesson follows this exact same path: learn, launch, apply. This creates a predictable rhythm that takes all the guesswork out of studying, so you can focus all your energy on the material itself.
All right, so let's zoom in and break this cycle down piece by piece. Everything kicks off with step 1, learn. This is all about building your foundation.
Now this is so important. Your journey with a new concept doesn't start with a giant textbook. It starts with what we call a multimedia first approach, which is specifically designed to help you grasp the core ideas quickly and avoid that classic burnout from reading dense technical manuals.
So how do we do that? Well, we're talking high-quality instructional videos you can watch and on-the-go audio lessons you can listen to. We've distilled the most critical information into engaging, bite-sized chunks that you can watch or listen to anytime, anywhere. This is all about learning on your terms.
Okay, so you've got the concept down. Now what? Well, that brings us to step 2, launch. This is the moment we shift gears from passively taking in information to actively preparing for action. This is where you get your mission.
And the key to this step is something we call the Lesson Launchpad. So forget about having to read a 50-page chapter. Instead, you get this simple one-page action plan. This is your mission briefing for the lesson, your single source of truth for what you need to do next. Your Launchpad basically boils down the key workflows you just saw in the videos and gives you a clear, simple set of tasks. You can think of it as the critical bridge that connects learning the concepts to actually doing the work. And that work takes us right to our final and maybe the most important step: apply. This is where the magic happens. It's where that abstract knowledge gets hammered into real, tangible, usable skill. Because, this is the whole point, right? It's not just about knowing something. It's about being able to do it, especially under pressure. This step is all about building that practical muscle memory that you absolutely have to have for exam day. So you'll take that mission from your Launchpad and you'll get to work. You'll complete hands-on activities right in your exam success workbook. Then you'll jump into our LAA Exam Hub to sharpen your speed and accuracy. You're not just reading here, you are actively solving real exam-style questions. So you see how it all fits together? You put these 3 steps into motion, and what you get is your cycle for success. It's repeatable, so you always know exactly what to do next. It's powerful because it's active learning, and it's predictable, which builds your confidence with every single lesson.
And that becomes the rhythm of your learning. It's simple. Learn the concept, launch the mission, apply the skill, and then you just repeat that simple, powerful cycle lesson after lesson, building mastery one step at a time.
So, there you have it. You now know exactly how you're going to learn inside the system. But that's only half the story. In our final explainer, we're going to show you exactly how you'll pass.